Hope that all of you doing great. Well, uh, within the crypto industry, there was a person 5 years back. He used to work in a grocery store, and his name is known from the call. And right now, he's a billionaire. Goes into private jets, has mansions. There was a taxi driver via the name Crypto right now. He is owning $25 million mansion right now, hundreds of millions of dollars is his worth. That's what the crypto industry can do to the people. But to reach there, the first and the most important thing for anyone to do, whether you are just beginning in the crypto or whether you have already begun the journey of the crypto, is education within the crypto. The more you understand the crypto, the more you read through the things, the more you go through the academies and stuff, the more or higher chances you are going to make it big. These people did not start with big money, but they made it big. So, which is the best place to go out there, and that too completely free? The best exchange out there in the world, Binance, actually has this Binance Academy that will enable all of you guys to know everything about the crypto. And I'm going to show you, this is like A to Z knowledge about the crypto, and it is like a never ending kind of a thing. Like consistently you can keep on acquiring the knowledge over and over. Like one of the best things, one of the best tutorials, or anyone you want to offer the best of the crypto knowledge, this is the place. And this is completely free to join, guys. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end. But I'm going to show you, I'll show you like probably what are the sequences in which you can learn the things and what kind of articles are out there. So the first and the foremost thing what you want to do, pause this video. There will be a QR code to sign up for the Binance. So signing up is completely free. Once you sign up completely free, you can have the access to Academy, and that too completely free. Like obviously it's within the scroll down thing, and then you will be finding the Academy once you just register. Why you use the QR code, or there is a link down below in the description that will directly take you to the Academy, and then you click on register and you sign up. Why I need to use the link or the QR code? Because that is going to give you extra bonuses when you plan to invest into the crypto. By the way, Binance is one of the, like, not one of the best. In fact, it is the best. Highest trading volume amongst all the crypto exchanges. It has the coin BNB that reached $100 billion market cap. So definitely you do not want to look apart from Binance. And then apart from that, I'm going to show you how much or what are the things, like what all this is offering for the people, the Binance articles and stuff. Um, I hope you have paused the video, you have completely signed up and registered, and then you are already here at the Binance Academy. So all you do is just click on see all topics. And as you can see, this is topics at Academy. Now this is like 419 articles. Obviously you cannot just randomly go at each and every article, even though everything is like what is web 2 and web 3, which is better. I mean, $1 million question. A lot of people do not know about it. But let's start, like, you want to know about the altcoins, right? You want to know about the metaverse, whichever thing that you want to know first. Let's say I want to know about metaverse. I just click onto it. This has applied the filter, and then I just click on apply filters. It is going to filter for me out all the articles related with the metaverse. So what is gamify? How does it work? Can there be more than one metaverse? How to buy land in the metaverse? What is initial game offering? I mean, these are the kind of a question like a lot of experts also do not know, and you will be having edge over everybody else. Now let us just explore one of the article. And as you can see, this is like the intermediate level thing. Probably this is YGG, one of the coin beginner level thing. All these, this is a classification. So probably I'll classify this as the best training out there available for the people. That's what I'll classify it as. Why? Because obviously Binance is the best exchange. They have really, I've seen through the articles, this is one of the best things. So there is no reason you should not scroll through the Academy or probably register to Binance and then use this Binance Academy when they are offering it completely free for the people. So can there be more than one metaverse? So as you will be having all this thing, I mean, I would personally see this as if you're paying $1,000 to $2,000 per month for this academy, and they are offering it completely free. You read, this is the gem of the information. The metaverse is an online immersive space that connects its users and stuff. Introduction, what is metaverse? So what can be done in the metaverse? The metaverse creates virtual spaces. So this is all in one place for everyone out there to learn every all sort of questions that you had. You never had the means, the future of web metaverse, closing thoughts. I mean, you never had the means to actually know from the best. You never were sure where to look at. And this is the place. This is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. I'm showing to you. Now, let's say you want to know about the NFTs, right? And then I click on NFT and then I scroll through. I mean, I apply the filter. It is going to bring for me all the articles related with the NFT. So meanwhile, it is opening. I mean, there are also some of the video tutorials, like some of the articles, some of the video tutorials, and combining that. I mean, this is like the best knowledgeable place. And literally, I believe if you can do all these things, like spend your time, you really want to get into the crypto, you do not want to miss out on this, because this is here to stay. The crypto is literally going to print a lot of millionaires in the future, especially when the bear market is going on, the transition from the bear to the bull market. So what are soundbound tokens, how to be an NFT artist, getting started with Binance, you can be an NFT artist. The 10 most expensive NFTs ever sold. What is GameFi? What is, I mean, let us just try to see like the 10 most expensive NFTs sold. So if I just open this article, I will be able to see a lot of things related to the NFT. So this is like a gem of all the information that you guys can have, and not just metaverse, the DeFi, the economics, essentials, Ethereum, consensus, tech, security, tutorials, trading, whatnot. So if you have not already, guys, like signed up for this Binance yet, again, there will be QR code at the left side of the screen. You scan through it, it will directly take you to a registration page, 100% free. Within few seconds, you register. You head over to Binance Academy and start your tutorial. Or secondly, you do not want to scan the QR code, there will be a link down below somewhere in the description. You click onto that link, you sign up, register for Binance, and it will directly take you to Binance Academy. The reason you should be using either the QR code or the link, because you will be getting a lot extra bonus you do not want to miss out on. That is our special referral link. So you wanted to know everything related with the NFT, the best, the expensive NFTs and stuff. The first 5,000 days, this one, $69 million NFT people. So I mean, definitely this is highly value delivering thing, guys, and guys should not be missing out on this, and we all should be grateful to Binance for offering it for free for all of us, guys. So that's it for the video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.